Alright, well, this is the removal of a VTSS, or a 5 litre Holden starter motor. Okay, I was told to remove the starter motor that the steering rack had to come off. Someone else told me that you could take the exhaust, jack it up and take the exhaust off the... But no, I've just jacked it up, undid the battery terminal so you got no power, then made up a an extension set of as many as those as I could, probably about 2 foot long, and this end here that pivots, put your, I think it was a 12 or 13 onto that, undid the wire, the main wire off your starter, undid the other wire off the solenoid, sorry, and it just come out. It just come out gently on this side. So you got to have it jacked up on the angle, obviously. I've got blocks under there everywhere, it's all safe as houses. But that's all I did, was jacked it up, jacked it up. This tyre is off the ground by probably 3 inches. The back was up off the ground, and that's it. No rack, steering rack off or anything. And obviously that's the old one. And I've got a new one off eBay for $82 delivered, rather than locally here $180, not fitted. So there you go. If you have the tools, a bit of knowledge, or get a heap of mates with tools, and you can do it. See, I've got nothing else off. That's where they wanted, off the manifold there. But yeah, took me probably half an hour setting up everything, and 5 minutes to get the starter out. Happy days.